Hi, this is Faindra Jabbar from Home Lecture. Questions of the day. What is communication? After this. Alright, what is communications? If you ask Mr. Google, he will give you 100 different definitions. Let's make it simple. Communication is referred to the process of sending, transferring, exchange, or even disseminate information from one person to another person. In other words, from the sender to receiver. For example, I'm the sender right now and you are the receiver. I'm sending you the information by using this communications process. When we talk about the communication, there are two types of communication that you should know. First is the interpersonal communication, another one is the intrapersonal communication. So what's the difference between interpersonal communication and intrapersonal communication? Interpersonal communication is referred to the communication that we have between two or more people. For example, let's say we are talking in the group discussion. This is what we call as interpersonal communications. Meanwhile, intrapersonal communication is referred to the internal communication. Remember this, inter means external, outside. Meanwhile, intra means internal. Intra means internal, within. For example, intranet means within the organization. So when we talk about the intrapersonal communication, it's referred to the communication that we had within ourselves. For example, we are talking to ourselves or something, we are thinking. Monologue is an example of the intrapersonal communication. Alright, let me give one simple example so that you can understand the concept of intrapersonal and also interpersonal communication itself. Let's say I have in class right now, okay? I saw one guy, he looks so handsome. So what I want to do now is, I want to approach him. So I will go and talk to him. Hi, you look handsome today. And then he replied to me, you look handsome too, sir. So this is what we call as an interpersonal communication because we are having mutual agreement on certain message. Meanwhile, let's say I just come to my class and then I saw him. I saw that guy, right? And just I look at him and I say, internally, I say, this guy look handsome. So this is example of the intrapersonal communication. I give another example, right? Okay, in class, let's say the lecturers ask you something and you will start thinking, oh please, don't ask me. That's actually is referred to the intrapersonal communication. See you guys again in Home Lecture.